Okay.
Okay, so I'm opening my package from Hot Topic. Okay. Ooh, a coupon. Yeah. I'll use that later. Whoa. Look at that. This is so cool. Hey, no, can you do me a favor? Move my room and get me a pair of pants. See if they fit. So it's an R-2 D-2 belt. It's like real leather and everything. It's so Basically, I'm going to tell a story. Basically, when I was on my way home from school, I saw this car shaded, and it was like the Mammalian Falcon, like going into like all those lines on the, you know, yeah. And so when I talked to people about it, and it said everything was 30% off, but only for 5 hours. I'm like, I looked at it, they didn't have them. I'm like, wait, does it have my do they have my belt? And it was $10, and I have $10. I'm like, oh my gosh. It fits like, it's exactly, this is a medium, it fits like exactly. You think I should switch these pants? Yeah. Okay, be right back. Put it pause in.
You hit stop?